Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today. We are going to have a quick look at a mind map I created that will help you to prepare for this AZ-104 compute resources section of the certification. So let's have a look what are important points here. One point I'm probably missing, which should be containers. And we can include Docker containers here. So make sure you know a little bit about containers. Also AKS, this is Azure Kubernetes Service. Get familiar with this one. The general things like Azure policies are important, because they affect resources, how they affect different resources. That's very good to know. Then there is, when you have to recover your resources, if they get destructed, then probably recovery services vault would be a good thing to check out. Of course, the templates, because this is the normal thing that is used for automation, this Azure RM templates. Check out the options that are available in app service. So how you create objects in app service, etc. Of course, the key vault component is important because normally you store all your passwords and secrets in a key vault, and then you use these options in Linux or Windows VMs. If you are Windows admin, please check out this Linux VM creation with CLI. That way you know some commands which are used here and which would be very useful when you provision this machine. And of course, it's also worth checking the Windows VM creation. Uh, it's good to know the availability and SLA for the resources. That way, if the resource gets deleted, how much recovery time you have, or if just to know, to be aware of what's the general SLAs, at least for compute modules. And of course, check out the CDN, which is one of those is a front door service. It's more related to networking, but still it's like the access to your resources can be controlled through front door. So these are the main points you should check out. And of course, there is a GitHub page available here where you can get more information about all these things, like, for example, containers, VM sizing, some monitoring and metrics which are used and which are supported in Azure Monitor. It's also related to the other section of the exam, but nevertheless, you would know what kind of VM metrics you could store using Azure Monitor. And of course, check out the scale sets, what those are, how to use them, and go through a couple of PowerShell commands just to get familiar with those, to get an idea how they structured, what do they do. So I hope it's been helpful. Good luck on your exam. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Stay healthy. Bye bye.